Surprise! Congratulations, madam. I'm looking forward for a good business deal.
It's my pleasure. Excuse me, madam. I am a business partner. Mami can be being show. Tinatet venikeno. So we use what? A CSC ho. Emma hoye kama. Emma hoye obey moi.
Thank you, Tinatet Venicare.
Tinatet Venicare is an oral tonic for maintaining vaginal hygiene, not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.
Ghana TV entertainment segment, entertainment vet. Nikki is my name. Please do not forget to press the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that any content that we drop sharp, you'll be the first to be notified. You understand? Okay, as you can see, I'm glittering and glowing. It is all Glit and Glow product. I do recommend it for you. Get one for yourself and also for the family. And when it comes to organic foods, it is Janelle Organics. Yes, please locate Janelle Organics. They do have precursor powder, fufu powder, granite paste, any sort of spices you want, you understand? So please, when it comes to organic foods, it is Janelle Organics. Okay, it is now time for us to buy. Tell a friend that I've taken my sit, you know, so you all should get ready for me. Okay, Stonebwoy and Nigerian singer Davido have linked up ahead of their music performance at the ongoing FIFA World Cup in Qatar. Yeah, Stonebwoy is representing Ghana at the FIFA Fan Festival and is set to take the stage on Friday, December 16th, alongside other musicians as well. Nigerian music icon Davido will feature at the closing ceremony of the 2022 World Cup in the match between defending champions France and Argentina on Sunday, December 18th at Lusail Stadium. Well, Stonebwoy and Davido have kept their bond stronger and tighter following their 2022 collaboration that brought the song Activate. See, they activate me, they activate me. Yeah, you know that song, right? Yes, so they are still working on that. And in their recent video, they were captured, singing and cheering up to the song. It was just so fun. As you can see for yourself, looking at the video, they were just cheering up, they were just having fun. Yeah, so that is it. Okay, so this is Ghana TV entertainment segment, entertainment bits. Nikki is my name. Please do not forget to press the subscribe button. That is very necessary. Kindly press that red button over there so that anything that we drop, you don't miss at all. And also the notification bell so that you would be the first to be notified as soon as we drop a video, in order to get updated for more legit and fun entertainment news, you understand? Okay, thank you so much.
Medi dwumadie bi eba wakwen na sa dwumadie ne mato ne din se aware ene asofo ensense marriage and pastors issues. The entia onyankopon di dwumadie we atomakoma so famre Ghana man ene se marriage is an institution ordained by God. Onyame ene hyehye aware nanso eya kwakoye se ene aware ho nsensem ne de ekokoso ne de esisi no obi se de aware tie kwa minim sakra ankama anware sa nsensem we nyina ne asofo so nsensem obi so se de sofo bi ayenti asore kura minko bio wei eno nyankopon akoa onyame de se adwuma de wei atomakoma so same famre yatiefo ne yahwefo ne Ghana man na adwuma de wei enyame nko a me ne wo manimu de renowned men of God ena me ne omo ba betena se edi se adwuma de wei Enuti me pese woji egwa na wotena se na wohwe me ne me panelist every Friday 5 p.m. and then on Sundays after church and also 5 p.m. ya di dwumadie we ebeba wakwen ebra wo be abaji egwa atena se etie yen ahwe yen your life will never be the same na ebesi woni ofie nyina ye. God bless you. Bye bye.
Tremulous terrestrials, Kayani,
Panex Caltrop, Jingo Bilaba. Sa what the no yamabobo swina, and when you are setting at 230 herbal, we are Bema now no more, and Mama what this from Kuma would drown us to me, Bajuma, and more energy, stamina, and a vitality, and Fawuni Juma, and one is our Banumbi, but Bajuma Sa, Tina Tat 230 herbal, a young conqueror. Power to the people, mature 230. So I what feeling? How down, back. Kinaata 230 herbal.
Yeah! Kinaata 230 herbal is a full supplement for rejuvenation and vitality. And no sa ebra offer sa edrowi. Oba wafa yefunu, ne all man e banofo. Any akola ondi in fear do watching.